And so I have some examples here. Looking to go to an all beef patty instead of a beef and soy patty, if possible, would be an easy way to accommodate our students. We know, okay, it's all beef or all beef hot dogs, it doesn't have soy. That's okay for our soy free kids. Having refried beans without cheese, you'd be able to accommodate more students that way. Having unbreaded meat alternate options, so having some grilled chickens or that fajita chicken instead of only breaded chicken. I know the breaded chicken's delicious and the kids like that. Don't fully take it away. We can avoid adding cheese to everything. Again, I say this, I love cheese so much. It doesn't love me back, but I really love cheese. And I get like sometimes we just have to throw it on there because it's a one meat alternate and we have to do what we have to do, but maybe not all our recipes so that they're more friendly for our lactose-free kiddos or our kids that have milk allergies. And then also baking with alternatives. And my specific example is baking with egg alternatives could be a start. That way, you know that these recipes are already accommodating and they're going on the standard menu.